Upstairs, third floor. Hello? I don't know. He's a gunshot victim. I got a door over here, right.
All right, now get back in. Hey! No, I'm not doing it. Stop! You do it!
6 lipca 2021 roku policja udaje się do domu Erika Banksa, byłego policjanta. Powodem wizyty był spór o opiekę nad dzieckiem pomiędzy Erikiem a jego żoną. Żona Erika miała tego dnia odebrać od niego syna, jednak nie mogła się z nim skontaktować. Zwykła wizyta o opiekę nad dzieckiem zamieniła się w przerażającą tragedię.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing good, boss. And yourself?
I'm doing good. At a 4 to 1. I'm out with him. What's going on today, man?
You're supposed to be serving peace protective order.
Supposed to be serving it on you or on
Both of us.
Okay.
The judge just ordered us to stay away from each other.
Okay.
Sit down, buddy. Sit
Do you
down.
all have some sort of like court order agreement on custody or something?
My oldest, I know he ran out the back door somewhere. All his stuff by the back door.
He ran out?
Yeah, because he got on the phone with her, wouldn't answer what was going on. I said, what's up, what's up? He wouldn't tell me. He said nothing. So, already they was working together secretly. He went out the door, freaking. What's going on, boss? I know you're getting tired of seeing us.
Where's DJ?
She called him and he went out the back door.
He's not here.
No, you want to come in?
Just let you know you're being audio.
Oh, hey, I know. I see I got the body cam. You can look ballroom.
So you don't have any idea where he went?
He called her. She called him. I can't call her and talk to him.
That's fair.
The judge said she could call them, tell them good morning, good night, blah blah blah.
Okay.
She called him. I helped him carry all his stuff. I said, she come to pick you up. She said, he was like,
Do you have a phone?
huh? I took my phones back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
All the phones are on my plan. I'm separating everything.
you have no idea where you just let a 15-year-old walk out of your house with all his bags packed?
No, his bag's at the back door. I literally told him, wait for your mom to get here. The police supposed to come here to serve her a peace of protective order. The judge told her to call you guys before she comes to you. I'm not trying to get in trouble.
I understand.
So she's supposed to call you to come meet
So
you.
you have no idea where DJ is?
Honestly, bro, no. I like.
With no phone or anything?
You can check the ADT. It shows when he ran out the door.
I believe you, but I mean.
I'm not gonna fight. I'm not gonna do that.
Listen, man, it's a 15-year-old boy. Having a phone probably would have been, if he's walking out of the house, probably would have been a good idea to leave him with, and you can work out those kinks later.
But see, this is the thing.
This is getting messy, man.
Yeah, I tried to tell him. I said, sit here, wait for your mom to get here. I went upstairs. I gotta get ready to go. My lieutenant, I can share my phone. We just got off the phone. I informed him of everything. Before I can come downstairs, he's already going out the back door. So I guess she coordinated, because she's somewhere in the area, I'm presuming.
Yes.
So she pretty much coordinated with him to come out there.
Okay. All right, hang tight.
All right.
All right. So he does not have a phone with him.
No,
Call his mom.
I believe his phone's probably still in his room.
Okay. All right.
What's going on, bro?
All right, so he was supposed to meet her at the subway. She's going to run up and see if he's there. Call me back.
Okay, no problem.
And to grab his bag and what he's going to need. Okay,
All right.
he's going to go with her.
Okay.
You say his bag's packed?
Yeah, you want to come grab him with me?
No, why don't you go grab him and just leave him out here, and then when she calls, then we'll get you guys inside. That way, there's no
Okay.
contact between you two.
I'm saying, one of you want to come with me while I grab the bag? I don't
It
want.
doesn't
okay.
matter.
Yeah.
I mean, if you need help, is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think yeah. That's it.
All right.
I'm just gonna go around the back just in case.
Okay. Yeah, he's tall and skinny with dreadlocks.
Hey, sir. How you doing? Have you seen, I don't know his name, he lives like in one of these houses here. He's about 15 with the dreadlocks.
Oh, DJ?
I guess so. Yeah, I don't know his name. So.
No, the guy who lives right next door.
Yeah.
Have not seen him recently.
Okay. All right. All good. He's not in any trouble. We're just trying to find
Just
him.
missing or something? Or,
Almost missing.
almost missing?
Yeah. Hasn't been reported missing yet, but yeah, just seeing if you, because he went out this way, so I was just trying to see if you saw him or anything. But okay. All right. Appreciate it. Thank you.
1717 in your case 722-074-722-0.
This will be over with.
All right.
Where's his room?
Straight up to the right.
Sorry.
Want me to lead you? Oh, okay.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
DJ!
Go to your room.
The one with the bunk bed right
Yeah.
here.
This is the kids' room.
DJ!
This is my room right here. Yeah, he's tall as us. He's not hiding. Tall and everything. Is this always down? No, this is where my safe is. My guns. Yeah. So this is where my guns go. Okay. You got your little light on your side?
Yes, I do.
You got a light back? Okay.
It might dim on you. You need two batteries.
What's up? 95. 95.
All right.
What's up, bro? 95. What's up? They came right now.
All right, where are we?
Automatic. Have one start now. DJ. Come on. You go, Jeff.
All right, let's just go to the car, all right?
Yeah, let's go to the car.
I got it. You're good. Here, let me move one thing out of your way.
Okay.
All right, just see for me.
All right. I'm sitting here. That's okay. I'm just.
Stay seated. Yeah, we're in custody.
All right. Yeah.
I need you to stay seated.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I need you to do me a favor.
Oh yeah.
Tucked in, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna bump you up.
All right. Go ahead. Can I just kiss my boys real quick?
No,
Just let me.
no,
Boss, boss, boss,
no,
let me kiss
I
my
need you
boys.
to stay in the car.
Just
All
let me
right,
kiss my boys.
Look,
All right.
listen.
Yeah, I got you, bro. Just let me kiss my
Stay
boys.
in the car.
Bro, just let me kiss my boys.
Stay in the car.
I'm just saying, like, just let me kiss my boys real quick, bro. All right, I'm coming in the car. I'm going in the car. I'm not doing all that. I'm not doing all that. I'm not
Start
doing
them
all
up. Faster.
that. I'm not doing all that.
Lean back for me.
All right, go ahead.
Do not get out of the car.
I'm not, bro. I'm not. They tighten, bro. Can you loose? They tighten.
What is?
Yeah, just,
The cuffs?
yeah. You the clamp. I'm not gonna do anything. I swear to you, I'm not gonna do anything. Just you gotta be. I can't move my other arm and do the other one. You just here. Listen. Just do it.
Stand up. Turn around. Don't do anything.
I'm not.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay up against the car. All right, now get back in. Hey!
Bro, I'm not doing it.
Stop running!
What are you doing? I just want to kiss my boys, bro. Come on. Just let me kiss my boys.
Get back in the car!
All right, come on.
Stay in there. You're not coming out no matter what.
All right, bro.
Stop moving.
All right, I'm just going right here in my car to get my phone.
No, don't touch anything.
All right.
Don't touch
My
me.
mom come pick my boys up?
Keep your hands over
All
here
right.
where I can see them.
All right. Just give my life away.
Just stop. What are you doing?
I just threw my life away, bro.
Will you stop?
Okay.
Stop unbuckling.
I
What are
just
you
threw
doing?
my life away, though.
I don't care. Hey, listen. Stop.
Just choke.
Stop. What are you doing?
Just choke me.
Get back in the car.
Just choke me. Just choke me. Just choke me.
Adam 4. Look, to Adam 1. Can you come back out here, please? Hey, get off our gun!
Look, just choke me. Just choke me.
Adam 4 is trying to grab a gun! Stop!
Get in the car, bro. Get in the car. I'm in here. Burn him out. Burn him out. Burn him out. Burn him out. On the ground.
What's going on? Come here from child custody, dude. Okay. He just texted me. Picking this up. A 15-year-old son, hers. He doesn't have custody. He says his bags are packed at the back door. He ran the back door. Ma'am, get back! Get back! Get back now! Hey, back up!
No!
Back up!
Get away from my house!
Back up!
My son's in there!
I understand that. The fire department is
No,
working
what
right
happened
now.
to him?
I have no idea, man.
No, but I need to know he's my son!
I have no idea. It's not a, I can't tell you. I literally don't know right now.
Oh, Jesus. No. He is my son. He hurt my son.
Okay.
No!
We're trying to figure that out, ma'am.
What?
Listen, everybody, I know that this is your house, but for right now, can y'all move behind that line over there?
Sure.
Just until we can figure out what we got going on here, okay? Yes, ma'am.
That's my son's house.
Okay, well, right now, we need you to stay back behind the line here. You see the trees with the crime scene line? We need you to stay back there, okay?
Is somebody hurt?
Right now, we can't talk about that, okay? We just need you to stay back there, okay?
Where's my son?
Right now, we'll talk with you in a second. Just do me a favor, go back there, okay?
We'll get someone to talk to you here very soon, okay? It looks like he was city police. What's that? The dad. Which I think, so it's a veteran. I don't know if he had PTSD or...
Aaron, sit up with me, buddy. Just sit up. Sit up. Right here. All right. Let's talk, Richie. All right? I can't talk about nothing, bro. All right. Ready? I'm going to get up with you, okay? 1, 2, 3.
So his pants are soaking wet,
Okay.
and they said they found him in there. There's a little bit of water in there. He's got insulation all over him. You can see where the plywood broken off.
Right.
That I don't know.
Yeah, I'll let my,
You can't tell for the hole up there or anything.
that's alright, here.
Yeah.
I'll let my CID work with it.
Yep.
It's all over now. He's in custody. There was a child custody. I don't have all the pieces. Okay. So, child custody dispute ends up, something gets the wild hair, you know, feels something's wrong, goes upstairs, finds this kid in like a crawl space back in his bedroom.
We're all clear in the house and everything.
House is
like
clear.
that. No
Yeah.
kids in there.
House has been cleared like 2 or 3 times over. So.
Eric Banks został oskarżony o próbę rozbrojenia funkcjonariusza policji i o morderstwo swojego syna, 15-letniego Desana Jonesa. Mężczyzna został skazany na 42 lata pozbawienia wolności.